Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a very strange and concerning issue. A lot of users are starting to report a mysterious browser tab that keeps popping up labeled files-storage.cc but with nothing on it except a blank white page. At first glance it looks like a glitch, but once you understand what's behind it, it becomes a lot more serious. So let's break down what's happening, why it's happening, and how to fix it safely. So the big question, what is file storage? CC, and why does it keep appearing? Well, that type of behavior isn't random. It lines up with something cybersecurity researchers refer to as a C2 server, also known as a command and control server. These servers act as central hubs for cybercriminals. When attackers infect a machine with malware, that malware needs a place to receive commands and send stolen data. That's where C2 servers come in. In other words, a C2 server is like a hacker's control tower. The popping of a blank tab is often the malware calling home, asking the server for instructions or reporting back that your system is still compromised. So seeing this behavior is not harmless. It's actually a red flag of an active infection. Once a system is compromised, attackers can use it for a variety of things, such as mining cryptocurrency in the background, stealing browser logins and session tokens, injecting additional malware, exfiltrating files or cookies, using your PC for botnet activities, launching DDoS attacks on websites, reselling your access to other criminals, and the scariest part, you often won't notice anything obvious while this is happening. Now here's where things get even more interesting. Security researchers have identified this particular behavior being used by an infostealer called Lumma Stealer. Lumma is specifically designed to steal passwords, browser autofill info, cryptocurrency, wallets, Discord tokens, authentication cookies. Once that data is captured, attackers can log into your accounts as if they were you, no password needed. If you're seeing this tab show up, here are the urgent steps you should take. First, Step 1. Change your passwords. Use randomly generated passwords via a password manager like Bitwarden. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication, preferably using an offline authenticator app such as Proton Authenticator, not SMS. This blocks attackers even if they stole your password. Here's a misconception. Most people think running a quick antivirus scan solves everything. And fortunately, infostealers and C2 loaders often evade detection. Tools like Windows Defender or even Malwarebytes might not catch them. That's why cybersecurity professionals often recommend a full Windows reinstall rather than trying to surgically remove the infection. If you're worried about losing your data, here's a safe approach. Backup documents to a reputable cloud provider like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Proton Drive. Optionally, use a USB stick for file transfer after reinstall. Make sure you know your login before wiping Windows. Do not back up X files, installers, or unknown programs. They could be infected. To reinstall Windows, use a clean computer to download Microsoft's Media Creation Tool. Plug in a USB. You're okay wiping. Follow the prompts to write the installer to the USB. Boot into your BIOS, usually by pressing Del F2 or F12. Set the USB as the first boot device. Wipe your system drive completely. Install a fresh copy of Windows. Restore only saved files after setup. Once Windows is reinstalled, the malware has nowhere left to hide. Once you're back in, do the following: reinstall your password manager, re-enable 2FA, re-download your cloud backups, update Windows and drivers, don't reuse old passwords, and that explains why that's strange. File storage CC tab is showing up, what malware it's linked to, and how to remove it safely. If you've seen this issue on your computer, or if you've already solved it, drop a comment below and share your experience. It could help a lot of people who are confused about what's going on. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.